Name Rizal's host at Wilhelmsfeld. A. Carl Almer. B. Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt. C. Dr. Jagor. D. Dr. Reinhold Rost. E. Dr. Jean. Correct answer. A. Carl Almer. Explanation. Carl Almer is the correct answer because he was the host of Rizal at Wilhelmsfeld. At 16, Rizal experienced his first romance. He fell in love with which girl? A. Segunda Katigbak. B. Gertrude Beckett. C. Leonor Rivera. D. Leonor Gonzalez. E. May Aboan. Correct answer. A. Segunda Katigbak. Explanation. Rizal experienced his first romance at the age of 16 and fell in love with Segunda Katigbak. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.